Hey guys, Forex Capital here. Let's take a look and see what Nano is doing today. So, this is looking just very similar to all the other alts. We're encountering a lot of resistance coming up due. We all think it's all season. Perhaps it is, but we have to wait for price action to tell us that it's all season. We can't just assume just because my neighbor down the street says it's all season that it's going to be all season. Now, as you guys know, I don't like to trade anything that has a lot of wigs, but let's just take a look and see what this is doing. So, 200-day moving average, we didn't break below, which is never good. 20-day moving average, it's good that we're holding above, but we're coming up to indecision here. So, if we just draw some lines, I do want to see a break above this. This looks very similar to a channel. Let's just kind of draw some lines here. So yes, so it looks like we're in this channel. I do want to say break above this resistance before I get any bullish, just like any other alt. If we draw some fibs, let's just draw some fibs. I do like those a lot because they help out with everything. So if we go from this low, from this high to this low, and this is what I'm talking about. So we got the 23% retracement right here, 200-day moving average. If this is going to be bullish, or the trend is perhaps going to start thinking that it's bullish, what I want to see is a break higher, retest this channel, even 0.96 or so, and then a pull back. Then we can go higher. Or, this will have to be like people moving out of Bitcoin to alts, and if this happens in a big flow, then we could even see a break, go all the way down, all the way up to the 50% retracement, and then a pullback. Now, the only thing that I do not like when it comes to fibs is if we break higher, I like to see the retracement 38 first, then another move higher, and then so on, because if we just blast through the 38, retest the 50%, then usually instead of pulling all the way to the 38, we're gonna see a pullback 50% of this whole move. So 50% puts me all the way down here. So I don't like to see when there's like a massive sell-off like that, but we gotta wait and see. So what I'm looking for, I want to stand aside right now because this, you have a lot of resistance right here, and then if you break lower, you could easily go down to the 25, 30 to 25 cent, and then crypto and just any other market loves the even numbers, so perhaps 20 cents. So that's a lot of risks that you're taking for what little reward because you have so much resistance coming up. So I'm going to stand aside for now. Perhaps in a very I'm going to be watching this, but I'm going to stand aside for now. If you guys like that video, hit that subscribe button, that like button. Thanks again, guys.